Hello and welcome to this tutorial. We will teach you how to build bots with UBot Studio in the fastest time possible in this course. First, start UBot Studio. You will see an interface like this. Maybe you have the bot bank open, this icon here with the green background, but what we need is to click on the wrench icon with the blue background. This opens the commands and functions overview. We always keep it like this. On the left-hand side, you see a collapsible user interface with all available commands and functions. In the center, you see the scripting area. This is where we will be dragging in commands to build scripts. Finally, on the right-hand side, you see the inbuilt browser. This is where you can see what is going on in the browser. I won't go over everything in the file, edit, view, and all the other menus. I will show you only the most important things for you to understand to be able to create your first scripts. 1 is Code View. If you click Code View, you will see written UBot source code created by the scripts we have built using the drag and drop method. The code view will allow you to copy and paste entire programs and scripts easily. You can find a link to the source code in the video description. So all you need to do is to copy and paste it inside the code view. The other one is Node View. If you click Node View, you will see the commands as visual nodes. The node view allows you to edit, run a node, delete, copy and paste any commands or functions you will be using. For example, you can select a node and press Ctrl+C to copy it. Then you click anywhere in your scripting area and press Ctrl+V to paste in the copy of the node. The most important part is the search toolbox. You can also search for commands by opening up the command tree and checking them one by one. Using the command tree is more time-consuming, so instead, you can just use the search toolbox to find commands. You only need to know what you want to automate on the website, so it will be easier to determine which command you are searching for. We will now navigate to the website we want the bot to visit. Search, navigate. Navigate is a command that allows you to open up a specific website or URL. It is simple enough that all you have to do is know or figure out what you want to do, then type the first letters of the action you want to perform. For example, I want to click this link, so I will type click in the search toolbox and drag it into the scripting area. Think of any potential command and type it into the search box. You should practice looking for commands here, it will make things easier and faster for you. Let's begin by visiting google.com. To open a website you will search navigate in the search toolbox and drag it into the scripting area. Then type in https://google.com into the URL input field and press enter. You can press the run button on the top to execute all commands in the scripting area from top to bottom. Alternatively, you can always right-click the command node you want to run and click Run Node. This will only execute the single command instead of running the entire script. In our case, if we run this command the browser will navigate to google.com. The next thing you will do is add a delay before the next command. You will delay it for some time or seconds. So you will use the wait command. Grab and drag the wait command and enter the specific time you want, like 5 seconds or 10 seconds. There are other wait commands, and one of them is the wait for browser event. Let's try the wait for browser event command. There are 3 options in it which are DOM ready, page loaded, and everything loaded. I recommend using everything loaded so the bot can wait until everything is completely loaded. Then move the wait command below the wait for browser event command. Right-click and edit the node, then change 5 seconds to 1 second. The next step is to enter a keyword into the Google search field. Now there are a few things that you can do for finding commands here. You can simply right-click on the element that you want to automate. If we want to type something here in the search bar, we will right-click it and choose the Type Text command. There are also other commands. For example, focus, mouse over, and more that can be used. So, if you want to type here, right-click the search bar and select Type Text. In this way, the element selector automatically inserts a selector expression that is associated with this field. As you can see, the element selector is already specified here. Instead, if you select the Type Text command from here and drag it in, you need to specify the element selector yourself. This icon here allows you to choose an element in the browser. You need to click this icon to be able to select the element you want the command to work with. After clicking the icon, just highlight the element you want to automate with the command. We hover the mouse over the element we want to type in, so we just click it. Boom! You get the element automatically selected. It is perfect. And here, you can put whatever keyword you want, for example, Bitcoin price, which is a popular keyword. Then click OK. If you want to run the Type Text command only, you just need to right-click it and select Run Node. Finally, we want to click the Google search button, so that we can see the search results. Again, it is quite simple. Right-click the element in the browser and choose the Click command. It will automatically fill in an element selector for you. Or you can go to the search toolbox and search for a click. For a simple website or simple automation, you can use this method. However, we recommend using the search toolbox, as well as manually selecting the command and dragging it to the scripting area. So, select the element selector icon and choose the element you want to click. The Google search button is what we want to click, and it will automatically select the class and attribute for that element. I believe we can proceed with the Run node. And yes, it does click. We have previously told you that you should always have some delay between commands. We add 1 second between type text and click. Okay, let's run this from the beginning by pressing Run on the top bar and see what happens. It opens google.com, waits until everything is loaded, wait 1 second, type in, wait 1 second, and clicks the search button. So, this will be the most simple and easy bot you will ever make. A simple bot that will automatically type and click buttons. I hope this first tutorial was helpful for you. See you in the next class.